Wildfires. Why are wildfires near Tustin worse than they were 100 years ago? One of the reasons that the rate of wildfires has increased in the past 100 years is climate change, because it is getting warmer and drier, making it easier for fires to start and spread. Regardless, a warming climate means that will continue to get more severe in the decades to come. Another reason that the rate of wildfires has increased in the past 100 years is carbon cycle, because carbon dioxide emissions contribute to climate change. Industry and pollution has led to higher temperature, which dries out plants, bushes. These then lead to even worse fires. How does carbon dioxide relate to the change in rate of wildfires? At that time, the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere increased to the point where the ambient temperature are now very simple to start a wildfire. As the temperature increases, the wildfires become more sus- susceptible to fires, and dry heat to the highland mix to create fires on a larger scale ever seen prior. The carbon cycle has a large effect on the function and well-being of our planet. Globally, the carbon cycle plays a key role in regulating the Earth's climate by controlling the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is most important because it contributes to the greenhouse effects. But as is often the case, too much of a good thing can have negative consequences and a natural buildup. How is the rate of wildfires related to the rate of chemical reactions? I think the rate of wildfires related to the rate of chemical reactions, because wildfire um, propagates through heat transfer from the open flame and burning region of a fuel bed to the under unburned component of the fuel bed. Heat transfer can occur through direct flame contact, which allow to make a very big chemical reaction taking place. When the temperature increases, the rate of chemical reaction also increases. For wildfire, temperature is related because when increases in temperature create warmer, drier conditions, which result in an increase of drought and a longer fire season. When concentration increases, the rate of chemical reaction increases. For wildfire, concentration is related because oxygen is the reactant and carbon dioxide is the product. So since there are a lot of oxygens, that means that more carbon dioxide are being produced. How are the things that make wildfire happen more frequently affecting the balance equilibrium of Earth system? Equilibrium is a state of which both reactant and the product are present in concentrations which have no further tendency to change with time. Climate change destabilizes the air temperature equilibrium and has far-reaching effects on human beings and the environment. During the course of global warming, the energy balance and thus the temperature of the Earth change due to the increased concentration of greenhouse gases, which has a significant impact on human and the environment. How are the things that make the wildfire happen more frequently affecting the equilibrium of Earth's system? I think that more frequent wildfires affecting the equilibrium of Earth's system is when the temperature and the reactant of the fire became destabilized. Global warming may increase the intensity and frequency of drought in many areas, creating more intense and frequent wildfires. The change of using limestones to make con- concrete all transfer significant quantities of carbon into the atmosphere affects the rate of wildfires as old trees die and decay or are consumed in a forest fire. Their carbon is again released to the air as carbon dioxide. Thank you for listening to my wildfire story, wildfire section. Thank you.